Okay, I reported the other day how I fried the harness. Well, it's not as bad as it looks. I can distinguish what colors are where, as you can see. And it is only this section back to the alternator that's fried completely. But I will be chasing wires either way. Now, I've got the book on the wiring, but I'm going to need to find some other things too. I will be needing to find an alternator because it's burnt. You can tell right off the bat it stinks. Gonna need to get a battery box, as you can see. Just the box itself, if I can get one separate, because it's pretty well rotted. Or maybe I can make one, I don't know. Maybe I can. It's just the flat steel. That's all it is. Okay. And all the way down to the starter, right there. Now the starter started back up again when I moved it back here. I know I'm going to have to do some other things as well as general maintenance, so don't point that out. Tried to open up the air cleaner as far as I could get because I'm one-handed. I did make the determination though, this thing had front mounted headlights. Now, other than the alternator, there's no other wires fried on this side. But I have discovered that it had shorts prior to. This wire here right in the middle of the screen, that was for the rear tail lights and running lights. And it rotted off right there. And you can see I do need a new cluster. And it is a clockwise cluster. And other than minor things, like I got to take this hood off because somebody buggered up those screws pretty good, as you can see. You got to loosen up the exhaust, and as you can see, somebody welded a chunk on it. Just minor things. Like I said before, I need tie rod ends. The lower ones I need, and these ones have to be replaced altogether. And I think I'm going to need some bushings down there. Other than that, she seems to be all right.